Are you looking to grow the visibility of your business? If so, stay tuned. I'm going to give you some tips on the very best ways to grow the visibility of your business. Before we get started, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and actually join me in the Video Visibility Challenge, which is taking place October 4th through 8th. This is going to be a 5-day challenge that's going to help you really leverage video for your business. My name is Anita, and I'm a video marketing and social media strategist. I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. All right, from all that I said so far, what you know that I care a lot about is video and visibility. And why do those things come together? Well, here's the real honest truth. Video is absolutely been the game changer for my business, and not just videos like this, but videos across the social media platforms and even on my website. And so here's some things I want to share with you when you're thinking about how to grow your visibility without ads. The number one reason that you actually need video in your business is because it's best for SEO. Forrester found that videos are actually 53 times more likely to produce first page results for your website by simply having a video on there. Google is now putting video snippets next to 26% of search results. So we know even Google is preferential to video. And just a reminder, Google owns YouTube. So clearly they like video. But here's also what you know. SEO requires consistency, and video is simply amping up your SEO capacity and ability. Reason number two that you need video in your business is it goes the furthest. That means it's going to save you the most time. Video is going to allow you to really leverage content repurposing, which is where you're able to take parts of the content that you create and use it to go even further. Now, if you have questions about content repurposing, I have tons of videos on this topic, and you can also grab my free guide to 25 ways to repurpose your content. A lot of those do use the original content as video, but there's tons of other ways if you're not yet on video. Here's the truth. As a business owner, marketing is a vital part of your business. And you have to participate in marketing, but marketing can't take all of your time. You have time that is precious that you need to do the amazing things for your clients, to work on the products that you have. And ultimately, I want you to leverage your time well. Video is going to allow you to do that. Reason number three that you absolutely need video in your business is that it has the highest sales conversion. Let's be honest. All of us who own businesses would love to see our sales increased. And many of the things that we do in the online space for online businesses are pay to play type of strategies. But when it comes to video, it is one of the best things that you can do for the lowest cost and allows you to really go the furthest with converting your sales. Video on a landing page can actually increase your conversion up to 80%. So the next thing that you're trying to sell, video can absolutely help you. Reason number four that you absolutely need video in your business is it's going to help grow your authority. The reality is people are going to know you a lot quicker, and they're going to be able to see how you are genuinely trying to help. They also are going to be able to see, as you repurpose that content, how you seem to be everywhere. And the reality is you don't have to be everywhere. You just have to be where your ideal client is, and you just need to be consistent in those places. Video allows you the tools to be able to do that. In my own business, video has allowed me to really have more time in my business because creating the content doesn't take as long. And then I am able to absolutely use it in more places, but it's also allowed me to really leverage content faster and have higher conversions. And I'm still able to have time to do all the things that matter, like homeschool my son and chase my littlest, who is now walking. So the time is absolutely important for me, and it's why I've really delved into this part of marketing so much for my own business, and the results have been incredible. Okay, reason number five you absolutely need video in your business is it is best for ads. Now, when I was telling you in the beginning that this is a strategy that you can use without ads, you absolutely can use it without ads, and you absolutely will see results. But when you couple video with ads, the ads actually do better. See, our brains process video 60,000 times faster than we do text. You're able to give so much more to those who are potentially interested in hearing what it is that you do or how it is that you serve when you use video. Video is like gasoline to the fire that you're trying to build with ads. It's only going to grow the ability of the ads to really reach and convert those who they interact with. Now, if your concern is looking great on camera, go ahead and watch this video that I'm going to put on the screen now, which is going to give you all the tips for that. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.